Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Bodycam 0. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What starts as a non-stop dispute over a pair of dogs quickly turns into a situation deputies can't ignore. Even though dispatch initially believes there's no immediate danger, the repeated 911 calls keep escalating the tension before officers finally respond to the home in Palm Coast. The breakdown starts now.
Flagler County 911, where's your emergency?
I don't know if this counts as an emergency. My ex has stolen my dog.
They would have to come meet with you to take the report and then see which agency they would have to get with.
That's really pointless.
Okay, have a good evening. Flagler County 911, where's your emergency?
I need to report my property stolen.
Okay, have you called about this before?
You're a dispatch, ho. I haven't called about this. This is my first time.
All right, deputies are heading over to the caller's house now after multiple 911 calls keep coming in. At this point, they're trying to figure out what's actually going on before the situation keeps escalating.
Are you calling me because
Can you hang up the phone? Can you hang up the phone?
Do you need medical attention?
No.
We're here. So how can we help you?
I don't need your shit. I need you to go get my dog. No, you're not? Okay. Thank you.
Hold on a second.
No.
I want to explain something to you real quick, all right? So you call a 911?
At this point, officers are just trying to figure out what's going on, but the moment she shuts the door in their faces, you can already feel this interaction starting to shift.
I copy. So far.
I reported my dogs. If you're not going to get my dogs, get the f*** off my property.
I need to explain something to you.
I don't need you
what
to explain
you doing,
shit to me.
calling us the way you are,
If you want to
is
explain
a
something
criminal
to me,
offense.
Can you pass? Can you pass the test?
At this point, you can see her starting to talk down to deputies, and because she's already frustrated with how the situation's going, she's making it clear she wants officers off the property.
What test?
Can you pass the test?
Pass any test, yes. What
I'm
test
sorry.
are you trying to have me pass?
I'm sorry. Get off my property. You're not going to get my dog? Get the f*** off my property. My shit was stolen. I pay Nappy's vet bill.
I could explain some options for you.
I don't want options. I want my dog.
Okay.
And you're not going to do that. So get these.
So you don't want to know the options that you have?
I
and how
don't
to get
have
them?
options. I want my dog.
Now you can see the frustration starting to build. Deputies are explaining they can't immediately give her the outcome she wants, and the conversation's quickly becoming more confrontational.
Okay.
And you're not going to get my dog. So please, just leave. Okay? You're not going to get my dog?
So.
I don't care what you have to say. You're not going to get my dog, right?
But you don't care what
that
I
I
said.
paid for?
But you don't care what I said.
What do you have to say to me?
So,
what the do you have to say to me
so
that I don't already know?
I don't think you do know, honestly, ma'am.
Oh my God. What? They know I'm black or something? Now you got to send fucking...
And there it is. The conversation's continuing to escalate, and instead of focusing on the original issue, she's now shifting the interaction in a completely different direction.
Get these away from me.
Do you know?
You're not going to get my dog? Get these away from me. You aren't worth a...
I want you to
Go
do.
patrol some dumb spot.
Here's
Go
an option
patrol
you can look
Palm
at.
Coast like you have been. Go gang up on the city like you have
Here's an
been.
option that you
Do
have.
your pointless fucking work and don't do a goddamn thing for me because you're not gonna do shit for me.
Can I explain something?
I paid $3 grand for this dog and for my ex to come in and fucking take him.
Now watch this. The tone of the conversation's gotten so confrontational that another deputy is about to step in and address her directly.
Get the fuck out of my yard. Nobody needs you. It's a civil matter that they can't even help. Get the fuck out my yard.
No, here's the deal. I'm a shit
No!
super.
You,
Stop
you
wasting
bald
my in our.
shithead. You
Stop wasting
racist.
our calling
Go
911.
gang up on somebody else, you racist.
If you call
Go
again, you're going to
post
jail.
You
Okay.
work for me, you
And I
bitch.
work for you.
This is what the fuck you do. You're a fucking civil help.
And she's still pushing it. Even after deputies keep trying to talk things through, the level of disrespect just keeps escalating the interaction even more.
Get out of here, you skin-headed, you short bitch, you fat, you slow. You can't even pass a test. Go join the army. Go be in the reserves. But you can't do that. But you can't do that. That's why you already are. Get the out of here. Nobody needs you.
At this point, deputies are trying to explain the situation to her, but she's barely letting them get a word in before the conversation turns even more aggressive.
Nobody needs you.
So I'm gonna explain a couple things to
And
you.
go fucking run my tags. Make sure you see me. Make sure you get me out
So
there
I'm gonna
because you
explain
have
a couple
nothing
things to
better to do. Get your bald-headed ass
I'm
out of my... Get off my... No, shut up. Hold on one
Don't
second.
tell me to shut up. Don't
Shut
tell me
up.
to shut up.
I can't. Get off my
Nope,
property.
I'm not leaving
All
until
of
they're
you.
done.
So
Get off my property, you fat bitch.
one option you
You
have,
short little fat bitch.
look up on Google, okay? And
Shut up. Get off my property.
Now watch this. By the way she's reacting and refusing to calm the conversation down, you can already tell the frustration's reaching another level here for both sides.
Misuse
I'm
of
off-
911, which is a criminal offense.
Get off my property.
And disorderly conduct.
The recording they sent us is attached to the
It's
file.
not misuse, you dumb. My dog is gone. That I paid $3,000 for. He's gone.
Well, we tried.
So you.
Look up
You're
disorderly
not worth
conduct.
a.
Look up
You're
disorderly
not worth
conduct.
a.
Look up
Get
disorderly
off my property.
At this point, the situation's about to cross a line here, and deputies are quickly reaching the point where they're going to have to take action.
You throw rocks?
Are you throwing rocks at us?
Yep,
I
let's go.
threw rocks in my yard.
Come here.
Throw rocks.
I didn't throw rocks. Get away from me! I didn't throw rocks for you! No, I didn't! I threw rocks
Put your hands on your back now. Stop resisting.
Ow! I threw
Stop
rocks in my
resisting.
yard!
Stop resisting.
Ow! Ow!
Got one.
No, look where the rocks went!
In the end, the situation was brought under control after deputies moved in and took the woman into custody following the escalating confrontation outside the home. What started as a dispute connected to multiple 911 calls gradually turned into a much more confrontational encounter once communication between both sides completely broke down. Authorities have not released many additional details surrounding the case, and as of now, no further public information regarding possible charges or court proceedings could be confirmed. Based on the body cam footage, you can see how quickly emotions and frustration continued building throughout the interaction, especially once deputies were no longer able to calm the conversation down or regain cooperation. Moments like this show how fast relatively minor calls for service can escalate when tensions stay high and both sides struggle to communicate effectively. Even situations that may not appear serious at first can quickly become unpredictable once the interaction turns confrontational. How do you think deputies handled this situation once the encounter started escalating? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up this breakdown. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bodycam Breakdown TV, and share this with someone who enjoys real-world police footage and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.